So I think we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. In this session, I'm going to teach you the impact of COVID-19. Basically, the measures of by RBI to tackle the economic disastrous situation created by the COVID-19. Right. So, a very important lecture, at least one question, most probably in the IBPS, RRB, GBO, or let it be in any exam, RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, at least one question would be there from this particular lecture. Very important lecture that I'm going to do today. So please stay updated, right? Watch the video till end. If you are facing any difficulty, there is a comment section which you can use. Okay, so let's just start the session with the very first slide, the extension of interest equalization scheme. So government of India has approved the extension of interest equalization scheme for pre and post shipment of rupee export credit, right? So it has been extended. The extension shall take effect from 1st of April until 31st of March 2020, right? So in the interest equalization scheme, under this scheme, the exporters, right, they get the subsidy under the scheme, right? The rate of interest subvention, the subsidy of interest, so it is 3% and 5% depending upon the type of exporter. So that scheme has been extended, okay, for 1 year. That scheme has been extended for 1 year. It was up to 31st March ko khatam honi thi, right? Lekin it has been extended for 1 year. Okay, so extension of interest equalization scheme for the exporters. For exporters, interest equalization scheme has been extended by 1 year. Okay. So the goal is to reduce their borrowing cost. Okay. So very important point. Very important point. Let's move on to the next slide. Rescheduling of payment for term loans and working capital finance. ये भी बहुत important है. Term loan and so term loan moratorium period, students, this is very popular, बहुत important है. So it has been extended, the payment of the term loan and the working capital loans. For the term loan, it has been extended by first it was extended by 3 months. Now additionally 3 months, total 6 months it has been extended. Now from 1st of June till 31st of August, it has been extended. Now banks are allowed to give the moratorium period to the borrowers, right? The repayment schedule for such loans as also the residual tenure will be shifted. So repayment schedule is shifted, okay, and the lending institution may also deferment of additional 3 months from 1st of August to 31st. So it is up to them. The lending institution are permitted to convert accumulated interest into the EMIs. So that is also possible. So there is a moratorium period of 3 months which is allowed by RBI. बहुत important है. Easing of working capital finance. So first of all, you need to understand what is drawing power. Drawing power is calculated by deducting margin from stock less creditors plus debtors, right, for the month. So a margin is deducted from this equation, and on the basis of that number, drawing power is calculated. That much a business can with that much loan or CC a business can take from the banks. Now the banks are asked to reduce their margins. Okay, so the lending institutions may recalculate the drawing powers by reducing the margins until 31st of August 2020. So that they can give more loans to the businesses, because businesses are going through tough times. Asset classifications and provisionings. So asset classifications and provisioning. Earlier, bank and financial institutions were allowed to give a moratorium of 3 months on payment of all accounts between 1st of March and 31st of May. That this has been increased to 31st of August 2020. पहले 3 month का था. Now additional 3 months has been given for the moratorium. Now it is total is 6 months. Okay. So all, and yes, one more important thing, under the for calculation the NPA, and also for calculation of stressed assets. Okay, this period won't be counted. This 6 month period would not be counted. Okay, So that is very, very important. The special mention account, all the special mention account, if they are defaulting in these 6 months, that 6 month period won't be counted. Okay, ये बहुत important है. Review of resolution, that's what I was talking about. Under the prudential norms, right? This 6 month, this 6 month period, 1st of March, the March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months. These until this 6 month, the review period. See, students, in case there is a big borrower, let's say the IDBI bank, right? They have gave money to, let's say, Reliance Industries. They gave a loan of 2,000 crore rupees, 2,000 crore. So if the Reliance Industries defaults on their payment of installment, on the day one there is a problem. So why to wait for 90 days? Okay, that is why there is prudential framework. Okay, so 30-day review period is there. Okay, after that there is 180-day resolution period. Okay, so that 6 month, 1st of March to 31st of August, that period is not counted for the 30-day review period. Okay, so let's say on 29th of Feb 2020, the review, it was 10th day of review period. Okay, so now 1st of September 2020 would be the 11th day for calculating the review period, and the 2nd September would be 12th day. Okay, very important. Pre-shipment and post-shipment export credit. Pre-shipment and post-shipment export credit. The exporters, right, when they take the loans from the banks, right? So there is a maximum cap. For 9 months they could take the loan. Now this has been increased to 15 months, and that limit is available up to 31st of July 2020. They can take a loan up to 15 months. The loan that they are taking, the 15 months loan they can take. पहले 9 month था, अब 15 month का loan ये ले सकते हैं. लेकिन that is this scheme is available till 31st of July 2020. 31 जुलाई 2020 तक ये अवेलेबल है. 9 महीने का लोन ले सकते थे, 15 महीने निकालेंगे. Relaxation and voluntarily relaxation route for foreign portfolio investors. For foreign portfolio investor, there is a VRR scheme. I've already done a video for that. Quota hota hai, then these FPI they apply for, because of this COVID situation, right? Relaxation has been given. Now they need to invest at least 75% of their committed portfolio within 3 months from the date of allotment. So 3 months of extension has been provided. So 75% at least. 3 months extension has been provided. Very important question. All the questions are important. Large exposure framework, very important. Let's say there is IDBI bank. The total loan that they can give is let's say rupees 1,000 crore, right? 1,000 crore the loan that they can give. If they are giving loan to Reliance Industries, they want to give 100% loan to Reliance Industries. It's a very risky thing. क्यों करना है ये? Very risky thing. The money of depositors is at a risk. The RBI doesn't like this. We don't like this, right? That is why there is a cap. The cap was 25%, but now it has been increased to 30%. But that limit, is increased for certain period of time till 30th of June 2021. It is 30%. After that, it will be again 25%. So large exposure framework, that is for group of counterparties, group of companies, not for a single entity, group of companies. For single entity, the limit is still same. Okay. Direction on hedging of foreign exchange risk. So that circular has been extended, changed to 1st of September instead of 1st of June 2020. Please remember that. And this particular table is very, very important. I have made this for you. So all existing non-PPI issuer prepaid payment instrument, they need a positive net worth of 15 crore. The time limit was 30th of June 2020, but revised time limit is 30th of September. Authorized non-bank entities, they should have a certain, they should have a cyber security audit by certain, auditors. The time limit was 31st of August 2020, but now the new limit is 31st of October 2020. For implementing provision of circulars on enhancing security of car transactions. The timeline was 16th of June, but now the new timeline is 30th of September 2020. Simplification and streamlining. Simplification and streamlining of turnaround, TAT. I have already done a proper videos in the course. Please check it. So timeline has been extended to 31st of December. Guideline on regulation of payment aggregator and payment gateway. It has been extended to 30th of September 2020. It was 1st of June. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. I'm already doing a complete course on bankexamstudy.com. So IBPS, RRB, GBO Scale 2, Scale 3 course also plus Scale 3. This course is also covers Scale 3. I'm covering the 100% syllabus. Video classes, notes, quizzes are there. Specially crafted for IBPS, RRB, GBO Scale 2. Special classes for financial awareness. This is the financial awareness class. 10 full and mock tests are part of the course. So link is available in the description. This is my WhatsApp number. List of students who cracked their Scale 2, Scale 3 exams. All India topper was from my batch. I'm really happy for them. I'm really proud of them. I'm really proud of all of them, right? So really happy for them. SEBI grade A 2018, NABARD grade A 2018, Vijaya Bank grade officer, Bank of India grade officer. I'm really happy for them. So it's your turn. It's your turn to take next step. This is an easy exam, easy to crack. If you are struggling with your current job, then this is the right step. Okay, this is the right step. Today is the last day to apply. So this is the right step. Take the step. Okay. So I highly recommend you to join the course. This is my WhatsApp number. If there is any doubt, just ask me and I'm going to answer all your doubts. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. If there is any doubt, ask your doubts in the comment section. So thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.